I just bought this abandoned FRS. It was left for dead. Forgot about it. Someone forgot about it. But I remembered it was there. So I went and picked it up. Was it a steal or a massive mistake? I don't know. But we're gonna find out. I accidentally left slow-mo on. I'm in slow-mo. Bro, I literally just recorded with my headgear. I had my mics, but it died, and then I come to realize I had it on slow-mo, so it didn't record anything of what I said. So I'm gonna do like a quick rundown of what it needed. So, and my first impressions. So first, it needed a suspension. Tires feel a little low, like flat tires, almost like they just low on air. The car feels rough. It's like it's not driving the best. There's a little weird noise I'm hearing. We're gonna have to inspect more of that. The brakes like squeak. Might just be because it had been sitting for a little while. You can hear the noise. It's not feeling the best, but like I said, whatever happens, happens. I wanted to build this car from the ground up. It's something that I like to do. I like to bring these cars back to life. Seeing them get built is just awesome. It's cool. It's amazing. It's fun. That's what I'm gonna do here with this one, and I got it for a pretty good price. They don't hold their value so good, but people they're kind of more wanted, so people do like try to up the price on them. So I did get a good price for this one. I said in the beginning also, the car was abandoned. It really was abandoned and left for dead, and then they found it and it got recovered, and now I got it. So that's that. I will explain more on it right now. Let's go ahead. I literally had been driving. I got home and I noticed that I wasn't recording. My mic wasn't picking up. That's because it died. And then, I don't know, it was on slow-mo. I left it on slow-mo. Today's not gonna be the full like breakdown. Nah. We're gonna make a little series out of this. This is gonna for sure be a fun one. I'm excited for it. Hopefully you guys are excited for it. It's a great car. So like I said, this car, whatever it needs, it's gonna get done. Like, no matter what it needs, we're gonna do it. I got people that know how to work on these cars, so I'm gonna be learning myself. I'm really excited about that. I always like learning. It's always fun breaking down these cars. And then also, this car looks dirty, so bringing that shine and pop to it is gonna be really, really cool. I'm gonna wrap it. We got some wheels for it. We're gonna wrap it. We're gonna fix a couple dents that it has. We're gonna fix anything that needs to get fixed. We're just gonna have fun with this one. This is gonna be like a fun. Let's have fun. Let's round. Let's see what we can do. Pretty excited for it. Pretty excited for that. I'll show you guys what's going on underneath. All right, just basic shit. Like anything else, looks dirty. I don't see any oil leaks of any sorts anywhere. We do have some like residue, which is sign of oil leaks, but we'll have to inspect it more. Right now, that's not what we're doing. Right now, I'm just showing you guys how it's looking. First and foremost, we got, nothing, it's not crazy. Like, they left it abandoned. I don't know exactly why they left it abandoned. That, I can't say why they left it abandoned, why they didn't want it anymore. So, the backstory on this is basically, car got repoed. The car was left for dead. They found it, they retrieved it back, and now I got it. It has a couple dents, missing parts here and there. It's dirty. You can see it's been, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but you can tell it's been sitting for a while. It has missing wiper. It had a wiper blade, but it's missing now. The windshield's cracked. A lot of this shit. That part's missing. It had something right here. I'm assuming it was one of those wind visor things. It's my backpack. The inside is, it's not too bad. It is a little dirty. This roof is like, has like scratches. Like, I don't know, they're like weird. It looks like it's a film on top, maybe? Maybe there could be a wrap on this. Oh no, it's lifting. It got scratched. What else? The tires look actually decently pretty good. They're not bad. Like I said, they feel flat. They look a little, these ones look good. But the other, everything else feels great. It has this, like I said, it has this exhaust that's just, I think it's just a straight pipe. I'm assuming. Can't really see it, but you can tell. So these people actually did try to do some modifications to it, but it is automatic, you guys. I know everybody's like, oh my god, can we talk the economic state of the world, bro? Like, yeah, we get it, like, bro. It is a little dirty. The seats need a little cleaning. I see some little stains right here. I don't know if they're shitting themselves or taking a piss or if those are cum stains. I don't know. We'll see. We got a dent. We got dent right here. This is the main big dent, and we also got a whole bunch of door dents, door dings on this door. Like, someone hated this person, for real, for real. Like, you can see all those door dings right there. I'm gonna go ahead and fix all those just because I've been learning, and I'm also getting I'm learning. So like I said, the windshield's cracked. I'll fix that real quick. It has tint. Tint don't look too bad actually, so which is pretty cool. It came with this tint already, which is amazing. A bumper, I think it had a different bumper. As you can tell, this bumper, like, I don't know if I'm tripping, but do you see the difference? I see the difference. Like, you can see it, like, it's really, but the bumper, look, the bumper's really, you can tell, that's for sure a different color bumper. I ain't tripping. Nah, I ain't tripping. Am I tripping? Maybe it's the dirt? Nah, I'm not tripping. That's black for sure, black and gray. So the bumper got changed out. The lights need to be revived. These things are ugly. I wonder if you can see at night with those things. It just needs to be fixed. What else? I mean, that's the things so far that we need to get fixed, and I will be, like I said, I'll be making a whole series on this. It's not just gonna be one go right away. The first thing is we're gonna be cleaning this bad boy up, just washing it, the inside, the outside, just giving it a deep clean. After that, we'll move on to the next thing. We're gonna give it some love to where it makes it pop and brings it more to life, you know, because it's just the little things that can make a difference, the big difference, and that being those little changes that I'm gonna make. And you're gonna see, I'm pretty excited for this actually. Like, this thing needs some heavy love. Whew, I'm ready for it. Let's go. Let's bring it on, boys. Bring it on, boys. Let's do this. This is the show the interior. What the? Let's just put that back. I don't want to look at all that right now. Saw some oil back there. I don't know if it's Diddy oil. What the fuck is that, boy? Screw? Oh no, that's not even a screw. That's part of the shift boot. These, they brand new. They didn't ever take them off. I'm gonna leave them like that till it's my turn to take them off. Some new parts, yo. Missing parts, yo. Damn. Actually, you know what I haven't checked? The trunk. Let's see what's in the trunk. I haven't even checked out the trunk, so let's go see what's in the trunk. No, but for real though, I mean, this is what's in the back right now. We're gonna have to see what's got a duffel bag. This guy was a construction worker, eh? So we're gonna see what they, once it comes down to it, we'll clean this whole bad boy out. But for now, this is the mess they left. They didn't even, I mean, the guy outside didn't even clean it. God damn it, dude. Alright guys, but for now, this is the abandoned FRS we're gonna be working on. I'm really excited about this. A lot of shit to explore and see what's going on with it. I know I got the hard hat on. I probably shouldn't do that because I don't know where it's been. But I'm really excited for this one, you guys. But other than that, thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm still recording? What the fuck?